Hello friends, now I am going to teach you how to remove permanent access of files for public using Google Drive. I'll show you how to give access and how to remove access so that no one can download further. So go on Google, go on your Drive. See, I have clicked the Drive option. Okay, here is the file. I'll just show you how to first share a file. So go on right click option and select share. I'll I'll show you again. Click on the right click on the file, get shareable link, and here is what the file. In this you have to select anyone with this link can file can email, and in this option you can have to give editor option so that anyone with this link can download. Means suppose the opposite one mails another person so that he can also download the file. Otherwise in Gmail you get an option where you mail one person and that person emails another person, so he need to give access another time. So for permanent giving access you have to click on editor and then you have to select done. Now suppose you have to remove the access, so what you have to do, go to right click on the cover, get shareable link, you have to just select and you have to give restricted. Means now no one can download this file. So this is very useful for someone if someone emails and you don't want him to again download it, so then you have to click on restrict, and then now no, suppose you have emailed 5%, then no 5% can download this file. Thank you.